What's up guys? Today I'm located in Kyiv, Ukraine, and today we're going to talk to you about how we can reduce the cost of MVP development. Let's go! Every time you can choose 2 out of 3 options. It's time to market, cost and quality. This video will be more focused on how we can get our products done faster and how we can spend less budget on it. Also, after MVP, you'll be able to get higher satisfaction for investment and also the honest user feedback. So first of all, we can use some open source libraries or frameworks or even some templates. Here we have like 2 sides. The first side is that we can use the frameworks for speed up our development. It's like Angular, React, or even Vue.js, which I'm not really recommend to use it right now, but it will be another topic to talk about.
But that's another story.
And also the design part, where you can use some libraries like Foundation or even our old Bootstrap, where you have possibility to also speed up a process, where you have like the templates for our buttons, for our responsive way of our application. It's important to have a designer in your team who will control that design part, even if you will go with that frameworks and libraries. Why? Because the developers are not really like good designers and they don't really have that like feeling. So I will suggest that have that guy who will make them even draft mockups for developers and they will just implement it in a nice way. The second one is that we can use some already made solution for our backend layout, for example firebase or parseplatform.org. Here you have a possibility that we can spend less time on backend side, on our architecture side, but we can spend more time on our front-end side, on our user interface side, which is like really for me important for first MVP, because in that stage of your product, it's really important for you to get that feedback from users to make them satisfied as much as possible.
So good.
They not care about your backend, they're not taking care about your architecture, but they're taking what they can see. So I will suggest to use it, at least try to use it. Some companies like Shazam or Duolingo are using it in production, so maybe it's a good choice for you as well. The third one is that we can outsource or nearshore our project. It will not save only the time, but it will also increase the quality of your product. From my point of view, the best location for nearshoring or outsourcing your product is the countries who are really close to yours, as you will not have that cultural differences and it will be easy to you to talk with that remote team of developers. Also, if we are looking for like some more cheaper countries, you can take a look on India or Pakistan and develop your product in your budget. You should make the proper documentation and requirements. It will not only save the time, it will also reduce the cost, because the developers will get in the first time what they really want to understand about your project. You probably know the most common method for managing the teams, called it Agile, which is saying that documentation and technical requirements are not so important and the developers should like learn development process about your product more and more. But if you have a structured budget and you really want to make it as proper and as fixed as possible, you should write everything down, making some user stories, use cases, and after that the development team will give you a nice code which will be done in your deadline. So guys, the last one is that you should definitely communicate with the development team as much as possible.
Communicate.
It's like most crucial point, because here you have a possibility to not communicate and just go out and not really going deep into it. And the second one, that you can call with them, you can speak about how it's going, you can ask some nice questions. Also, you'll go deeper into development, so you will get that feel like, okay, that one I think will take more longer, that one will take less time, and for you it will be really valuable, as in future you will still be working on your product and it's not story about today, it's story about your future. Because there are no IT company in the world who can really like nicely translate that not technical to technical speaking and languages, And it's only you, the person, who can do that, who can be that bridge on your development and your business side of your company. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Also, I have one book suggestion for you. It's a book called Blitzscaling from Reid Hoffman, one of founders of LinkedIn. It's more story about why speed is so important these days and why you should move sales and marketing and also development very fast. And yeah, also subscribe to my channels over here and have a nice day and talk to you soon. Bye bye.